Right, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of some lathe tooling I just bought off eBay. Probably the cheapest set of 4 I could find. I think they're about £17 delivered in the UK. Some PPK, obviously Chinese, 4-piece 12mm shank lathe turning tool kit. Open the box. Got 10 carbide tips. A little case. And here we have the boring bar. Nice finish to it, no rough edges. Looks well machined. The only thing I can see is this depth markings are slightly out of alignment. Not a big deal. And it comes with the small Torx head screwdriver. And we've got a right-handed facing or turning tool. The edges on this are a little bit rough. The faces are nice and smooth and straight. Again, comes with its own Torx bit screwdriver. So this is the straight bit. Again, they all seem to have this a little bit of a oily, greasy substance on them to stop them corroding in transit. Bit of a burr on this edge. And this is the left-handed bit. Again, the machining isn't great, there's burrs all on the edges. Looks like they've tried to deburr this. But left a sharp edge anyway. Not a great finish on this one. For the money, You can't expect a great deal, I suppose. Right, so I'll put the tips in the tools. Focus. There you go. They're actually quite a good fit, nice and tight. Sit flush into the tool. The carbide bits themselves look nice and sharp. And these little screwdrivers seem to work quite well. Little T8 Torx bit. So overall, quite impressed with them for the money. I mean, a bit rough around the edges. I fitted the carbide tips now and they're a nice fit. For £17 or £18 delivered in the UK. Can't complain. I don't have anything to actually machine at the minute.